So we start off today's video with this beautiful Pixie haircut. Wow, what an amazing transformation. She looks absolutely stunning with short hair. Beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature a variety of long to short hair transformations. Here we have someone who decided to cut their hair into a bob. Very chic and cute style. She ended up cutting quite a lot off, but her hair looks amazing. And then we see someone who does have pretty long waist length hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting like a lob haircut. Very nice. This is simple, chic, and effortless. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful bob with curtain bangs. Her hair looks so fluffy and full. Absolutely stunning. So the stylist did a nice mid-length cut with bangs. Beautiful. Followed by another long to Pixie hair transformation. Nice pixie switch up for that one, and here is another look at a pixie. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have a gorgeous hair transformation for this next one. Bam, beautiful pixie undercuts. Nice design going there on the side. Very modern and chic pixie. Then we have that Vixi haircut. This, of course, is a great in-between option of a bob and a pixie. Beautiful. And then we have this lavender platinum colored Pixie. The cut and color combination is absolutely gorgeous with this one. And then we see another hair transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting some color. Wow, absolutely gorgeous undercut style. Beautiful. And then we have like a shaggy pixie. Lots of texture with that one. Followed by a nice bob. Wow, I love this rose gold color. Switch up to the brown. So here's a person not afraid to play around with their hair. I love it. So I hope that you guys were able to find some inspiration within today's video. All of these were some beautiful short styles. And if you did enjoy this one, please be sure to give it a like, and of course, hit that subscribe button, and you can check out even more inspiring hairstyles in this next video.